stay still. Is it just me? Get as close to the water as possible because he wants to touch it. Will he make it without wetting the entire and sinking the boat? Oh my god. Alright. I think we did it, folks. I think we did it. I think we did it. No. It's the one thing I didn't want. And he managed to wet me completely. I officially have no seat.
Damn, I thought I was good.
You were good until you weren't. And now I'm standing. I cannot believe you got me wet. Oh my god. So good. So big.